Hello everyone, my name is Kunchi and this is Cooking with Kunchi. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be making some bacon wrapped jalapenos stuffed with jerk chicken. This is my twist on the jalapeno poppers. This recipe idea kind of came about from a comment that I got on one of my videos a couple weeks ago. From a friend of mine who said, can I make some jalapeno poppers? Well, I do know to make jalapeno poppers. I just wanted to find a way to Jamaicanize it, basically. So this right here is some shredded jerk chicken, this jerk chicken breast. I have jalapenos, some real nice peppers right here, some black pepper bacon, cream cheese, cheddar cheese. Chicken's already seasoned, don't need anything else. You know, the jalapeno already has tons of flavor. Cheese, who doesn't love cheese? And the bacon is already seasoned. So putting seasonings in here would be overkill, probably. Watch how I make this one. A macaroni bowl. So I got some softened cream cheese. Some shredded cheddar. It's my very first time trying this, so bear with me here. I really wanted the cream cheese to kind of just hold everything together. Just try to blend this all together. I like to have my jalapeno poppers done in the air fryer. Today I'm going to do them in the oven. It's going to be probably about a 15-minute bake in the oven there. Jerk chicken in combination with that black pepper bacon. I think it's going to be really delicious. And the video for the jerk chicken is going to be linked up above. This is one way that you can repurpose your jerk chicken if you're like me and you made too much. And there's also a jerk chicken salad video that I'm going to be linking in the cards in this video as well. Right now I have the poppers wrapped. You want to place them with the loose piece of the bacon down. We're making 6 of these right now. These are pretty big, so they're going to be very filling. Whatever size you want to use, that's good. This doesn't have a lot of cream cheese, so there shouldn't be a lot leaking out of these poppers. Be real filling. Waiting for my oven to get up to 450, and then we're going to serve these with some ranch. Right now the poppers are done. 20 minutes in the oven, 15 minutes on 400. For the last 5 minutes, turn on the broil. Let that bacon crisp up real good. And as you can see right here, served with some ranch. That's just some green onions cut up in there. Thank you for watching this video today. Steps and ingredients are going to be in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and I'll see you in the next one. 예뻐져 그 누구도 다가올 수 없게 예뻐져 yes.